When it comes to helping your body lose weight, enjoying more energy, mental sharpness, and a fully supported metabolism, look no further than this amazing breakthrough. This unique blend of medium-chain triglycerides and all-natural nutrients work together to give your health a major boost. Thanks to this delicious drink powder, you can help your body burn fat, supercharge your cells with energy, and enjoy laser-like focus every single day. These amazing ingredients are shown to help activate caloric bypass, the natural weight loss system within your cells. Experience a major boost in mental sharpness. Enjoy tons of natural all-day energy thanks to an efficient metabolism. Supports smooth, worry-free digestion and helps with reducing gas, bloating, and occasional constipation. Also, learn why low-carb diets do not improve weight loss. If you would like to learn more, feel free to visit our website at healtheasyfix.com or click the link in the bio.